Hello, welcome to the vlog series. Before the video begins, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications as to when a new video will be posted onto this channel. Enjoy! How's it going, everybody? Shaun here, another day, another vlog. As you can see right in front of you, I have some very cool looking Lego sets. As you can see, we have the different sets, and each one is about a particular classroom at Hogwarts. And each box contains different characters. There's 2 characters that are students and 1 character that is a professor. In the previous video, I showed you the Transfiguration classroom set, which featured Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, and Professor McGonagall. Now that we've gotten Transfiguration out of the way, it's time to go on to our next class. I think our next class should be about herbology, or the study of plants, or in this case, the magical plants of the Wizarding World. So this set contains 233 pieces and includes 3 different characters: Cedric Diggory, Neville Longbottom, and Professor Sprout. Now you may notice that this looks like a yellow book, and that makes sense because Professor Sprout is the head of Hufflepuff, so this looks like it might be a Hufflepuff set. I do find it interesting that Cedric Diggory is from Hufflepuff, but Neville Longbottom is actually from Gryffindor. So in this set we have 2 Hufflepuff characters and 1 Gryffindor. On the back it shows the classroom for the herbology class. Now what's interesting, if you've seen the movies, is that this is supposed to take place outdoors. So this could be like the interior version of the greenhouse, but this almost looks like a classroom in a way. But more on that when we build this thing, so let's have some fun and get to building. Much like I did with the first video, we're going to create the characters first. I see a head here. Here's a body. Here's another one. Let's see. Oh, I found Professor Sprout's head and her hat. Here's another head. Here's another body right here. Okay, I think these are, these are definitely Professor Sprout's legs, because as you can see, the shorter ones are the students and the longer ones are adults. So this is definitely Professor Sprout. There we go. Now we just need to find her head. Oh my gosh, look at this, a little spigot. That's so cool. That's funny. It's a little faucet. You see those 2 front teeth there? That's Neville Longbottom. So we have Neville here, so let's go ahead and put one of these on here for Neville. He also has this worried expression as well. This is Cedric Diggory. I'm sorry. This is actually Professor Sprout's face. So there we go. That is her face right there. Yeah, she also has lipstick on here too, so I should have seen that. It's kind of hard to see because it's so small, but here we go. So there you go. That is Professor Sprout right there. She's already got her mufflers on, ready to go. There is Cedric Diggory right there. We also need to find the hair pieces as well. So now, as you see, we got Professor McGonagall and now Professor Sprout. We have Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger. Here's Cedric Diggory and Neville Longbottom right there. Cool. Oh, that's cool. They actually give these characters mufflers too. And now it's time to get the building. Another textbook. And with that, we are finished with the Herbology classroom. This actually was a fun one to build because personally I enjoy gardening. As if you guys have been watching my gardening videos, this one actually is a lot of fun for me personally because it is dealing with plants. You got Professor Sprout there teaching the students about the mandrakes and, you know, just any type of things that you would learn in an herbology class. Again, this was another easy one to build. I'm guessing that the other two that I'll be building will be a little bit more difficult because they have a little bit more details, but this one was definitely a lot of fun. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Shaun, will these be the only ones you'll be building? No. As you can see in front of you on the screen, we have more coming, so don't worry. More larger sets are coming very soon. Until then, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications as to when a new video will be posted onto this channel. To see more, check out my other channels, the Educational Series, the Design Video Series, and the Travel Town Series. To stay connected, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Once again, thanks for watching.